signed up for LinkedIn yet? If not, I'm going to show you how to join. It's very simple. All you have to do is go to www.linkedin.com. Once you do that, you'll get to a screen that looks like this, or maybe a screen that looks like this. They're both the same thing, it just depends on how you access the site. If you get a screen that looks like this, at the very bottom you'll see something that says "Not a member, join now." Click on that. Once you do that, all you have to do is fill in your information. So your first name, your last name, email address, and password. Or if you like, you can sign up with your Facebook. Now, if you get a screen that looks like this, which I think most of you will, it's equally simple. Right here it says "Get Started," and right underneath you have to just fill in your name, your last name, your email address, and your password, whatever you like. Once you do that, just click on the Join Now. Once you do that, you'll come to a page that looks like this. All you have to do is fill in some additional information. LinkedIn has already detected which country I'm logging in from, so I will leave it as Canada. But if you're from another country, go ahead and pick it from the list here. Now, depending on what country you're logging in from, LinkedIn will require some additional information. For Canada, you have to put in your postal code. But say I was logging in from China, I would have to select my province. So go ahead and fill in the information based on the country you're logging in from. I'm just going to put the postal code here. Next, LinkedIn wants to know your employment status. I'm going to choose Job Seeker. And based on that, I have to fill in some additional information. So my most recent job title, I will write here Office Manager. And then if you're self-employed, you can click that, or you can write the company that you worked for. So I am going to put in the company here. And industry, I am going to just leave it as accounting. Doesn't really matter because we're going to go back and change this information later. And then the time period. So I'll put 2011 to 2015, and then just click Create My Profile. Once you do that, LinkedIn will ask if you want to add your email address and import your contact list. I'm just going to click skip this step for now. Because we're still working on our profile, I don't want to add anyone. So I'm just going to click skip. Now it does want me to confirm my email, so we'll just ask it to send a confirmation email for now. And then you just have to go to your email and confirm. Once you have confirmed your email address, you're ready to start creating your expert LinkedIn profile. All you have to do now is fill in your professional information. Right now, as you can see, my profile is blank. The only information is my name. But as the course continues, we will begin filling out the different sections. So we'll add our photo, the industry we want to work in, our experience, our education, our summary, and skills. It might seem like a lot of information right now, but don't worry, we will walk you through it. One last thing I want to draw your attention to. Right here, you'll see a box that says Notify Your Network. So what this means is that every time you make a change to your profile, LinkedIn will notify your connections. I don't have any connections right now, but I would suggest that you turn this off. Because we're still building our LinkedIn profile, we don't want to alert our connections every time we make a change. We can always turn this back on when we're ready and have a basic LinkedIn profile set up. So go ahead and turn it off. And there you go. You're well underway on creating your expert LinkedIn account. Congratulations on taking the first step in signing up to LinkedIn.